Hello, welcome all of you. Today we are going to see about 8255, that is programmable peripheral interface. The 8255 is a general purpose programmable IO device designed to transfer the data from input output to interrupt input output under certain conditions as required. It can be used with almost any microprocessor. So we are going to see the features for this 8255. So, we are going to see the first slide, that is features of 8255. The main features for the 8255 that are, it consists of three 8-bit input output ports, that are port A, port B and port C. The second one is the address and data bus must be externally demultiplexed. It is TTL compatible and it has improved DC driving capability. Now, let us first take a look at the pin diagram of 8255. As you are seeing, the 8255 has 40 pin IC. The main pins are the data bus buffer. It is a tri-state 8-bit buffer which is used to interface the microprocessor to the system data bus. Data is transmitted or received by the buffer as per the instructions by the CPU. Control words and status information is also transferred using this bus. The next one is read write control logic. This block is responsible for controlling the internal or external transfer of data or control or status word. It accepts the input from the CPU address and control buses and in turn issues command to both the control groups. Now let us talk about the chip select. A low on this input selects the chip and enables the communication between the 8255 and the CPU. It is connected to the decoded address and A0 and A1 are connected to the microprocessor address lines. The results depend on the following conditions. As you can see, the chip select must be active low. When A1 and A0 are both are 00, then the result is going to be port A. Same, when it is 0 1, the result is for port B, 10 is for port C and 11 is for control register. As you can see, when we are connecting chip select as a high, the A1 and A0 are don't care conditions, the result is going to be no selection. It means no port is to be selected. Now we are seeing about the WR pin. It stands for write. This control signal enables the write operation. When the signal goes low, the microprocessor writes into a selected input output port or the control register. About reset, this is an active high signal. It clears the control register and sets all ports in the input mode. As we can see, the RD, it is stands for the read pin. This control signal enables the read operation. When the signal is low, the microprocessor reads the data from the selected input output port of the 8255. And now let us see about A0 and A1. These input signals work with read write and one of the control signals. Following is the table showing their various signals with their results. As you can see, there is a input operation in the result and the output operation in the result. Now we are seeing the architecture of 8255. As I can said earlier, it is the parallel input output port chip 8255 is also called as a programmable peripheral input output port. It has 24 input output lines which may be individually programmed in two groups of 12 lines each or three groups of 8 lines. The two groups of input output pins are named as group A and group B. Each of these two groups contains a subgroup of 8 input output lines called as 8-bit port and another subgroup of 4 lines or a 4-bit port. Thus, group A contains an 8-bit port A along with 4-bit port C upper. The port A lines are identified by symbols PA0 to PA7, while the port C lines are identified as PC4 to PC7 as it is a port C upper. Similarly, group B contains an 8-bit port B containing lines from PB0 to PB7 and a 4-bit port C with lower bits PC0 to PC3. The port C upper and port C lower can be used in combination as an 8-bit port C. Both the port C are assigned the same address. Thus, one may have either 3 8-bit input output ports or 2 8-bit and 2 4 bits from 8 to 55. All of these ports can function independently either as input or as output ports. This can be achieved by programming the bits of an internal register of 8 to 55 called as control word register. This buffer receives or transmits the data upon the execution of input or output instruction by the microprocessor. The control words or status information is also transferred through the buffer. Hope you are understanding about 8 to 55. Thank you.